Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for Thursday, December 17th. The weather impacts summary is the first thing we'll look at. We are expecting some widespread snow today. Going to be some travel impacts, mainly in the mountains. Could see again, we're not straying much from what we've been forecasting, some 3 to 6 inch amounts, some accumulations up to 8 inches going across mountain passes. Still looking at 1 to 3 inches in the Snake River Plain. The heavier amounts generally towards Idaho Falls and north of there towards Rexburg. And again, we could possibly see a mix with rain, especially in the Burley area, as we get some downslope flow and some warmer temperatures. So overall, again, nothing has really changed in the forecast. We see upper low on the satellite loop in northwest Washington with the trough extending south along the coast. And you can see widespread moisture ahead of that trough over all of Idaho. So again, a lot of moisture is being filtered through with this system, and we are expecting widespread precipitation throughout most of the day. Weather impact overview, again, minimal impacts, occasionally maybe some moderate stuff, going over extremely high mountain passes. Galena Summit, again, could see 8 inches or more in that area. But again, probably some snow-covered roads everywhere. Maybe later in the afternoon in the Snake River Plain when the cold front moves through, where it might get cold enough to see some light accumulation on the roadways. But again, every location will see some snow today. Tomorrow, most of the precipitation will be out of the area, maybe some lingering stuff in the eastern highlands. And then some very light snow over the weekend, again, mainly in the mountainous areas, Sawtooth area, eastern, southern highlands, and Sunday as well. But again, today will be the largest system through the next 5 days. And snow amounts this morning, generally again, at least before noon, some 1 to 3 inch amounts in the mountains, 2 to 4 Highland Park to Ashton area and the southern highlands as well. Generally around an inch or so in the Snake River Plain. Again, Burley to Jerome, probably nothing, and some higher amounts, Idaho Falls and north. This afternoon, again, looking at some 1 to 2 inch amounts in the Snake River Plain. Should start to taper off in the central mountains. Most of the snow-focused Snake Plain and eastward. Again, an additional 1 to 4 inches in the upper Snake Highlands, 2 to 4 inches in some of the southeast mountains. And overnight through this evening, generally less than an inch, some 1 to 2 inch amounts in the eastern mountains. And totals throughout the remainder of today. Again, the heaviest amounts are going to be in the eastern highlands. Again, some of the passes 6 to 8 inches, generally 3 to 6 though, most of the areas. And you can see the 1 to 3 inches up the Snake River Plain. Again, a little bit higher as you get north of Idaho Falls towards Rexburg. High temperatures today will generally reach just slightly above freezing in the Snake River Plain to near 40 at Burley, generally low 30s in the mountains. And the cold front will move through late this afternoon. So again, much colder temperatures tomorrow, generally 20s in the mountains, upper 20s to low 30s, Snake River Plain. And then Saturday, warming up a bit again, generally 30s in the Snake River Plain to near 40 in the Burley area, and 20s to low 30s in the mountains. Looking at the 8 to 14 day outlook covering Christmas Day through December 30th, and trends continue to show a much better chance of above normal temperatures over Idaho, and also a better chance of drier than normal conditions as well. So that will conclude the briefing. Again, the weather impact summary. Snow today, again, maybe mixing with rain in the eastern Magic Valley towards Pocatello. General 3 to 6 inches in the eastern highlands, southern mountains, 4 to 8 inches in some of the passes, and generally 1 to 3 inches in the Snake River Plain. So again, could be some difficult travel, especially in the mountain areas through most of the day. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed here 24 hours a day or go to our website for further details. Thank you and have a good day.